Fool me once, fool me twice. When you're hiding things, might as well be lies. Can you ever get it right? How long will I let this?
Hey, welcome back to Joyce Michelle. So this is going to be hopefully a quick video, but I wanted to do the unboxing of the Threshold ultrasonic diffuser that I got from Target, and I will try and link it from somewhere else like Amazon, but I went in there and got it. Okay, so I'm opening the box, and so it comes with this cord, and it also had a little packet with it, and I'm actually gonna try and go ahead and set this up. Oh, the top came off, so that was the top, but here it is. It's so little. When I was looking at Alicia Getty's when she did hers, she had distilled water, so I don't know if I need to go and get some distilled water. I'm trying to make sure there's nothing else left in the box. I don't think so. All right, now I told y'all I got the Sandalwood aromatherapy. I gotta go back and watch her video because she got a 3-pack of aromatherapy, and I had looked it up, but then I lost it, so I haven't been able to find it. I'm gonna have to go back through her videos. Oh, yes, I love wait a minute, Sandalwood. I thought I was finna say Santal Bloom, but this does smell like the Santal Bloom. So I'm gonna go in here. Let me look at this description. Top cover, main body, AC, power. I'm trying to see if I needed to get distilled water. Remove top cover, add 100 milliliter water to maximum fill line. Do not overfill or mist output may be low. Add 3 to 5 drops of oil. I also have hold on. So a friend named Lisa gave me these essential oils, and I think I can still use these. Let me take a look. These are essential oils, so I can use these in here. This is Melissa. I'm so glad that I held on to these. That's the same thing, Melissa. But then you also have these little empty bottles that you can put in there. Let me see. Let me see what these are. Myrrh. I want to say myrrh, frankincense, and myrrh. So that's what I got. Those two. Y'all don't pay no attention to these nails because I gotta do them. Let me see what's in this other box. I want to smell the Melissa. So that's what it says on there. I don't know if I'm gonna use these or not, but I do have them. Oh, so this smells like, what is that smell? It's familiar. I don't know. Let me see what this says. Therapeutic grade, Melissa. I don't know what it smells like. It smells like something familiar, but I don't know exactly what it smells like. But I'm going to just use the Sandalwood first. And I'm going to have to go back and watch Alicia Getty's video. So let me see. Step 2. Where's the fill line? I've never had one of these before. Oh, okay. So I see the fill line is right there. So, and then let me see. Max. And you actually just drop the water in there. Okay, I'm gonna put this in my bedroom. Let's go in here and take a gander and see how this is gonna work out. I'm kind of excited. All right, so I got it plugged in, and I want to make sure I remember the max, where it says the max level. And y'all have probably known about this, but this is my journey into femininity. Okay, so let's go. All right, so I put it to the max level, and then this is my sandalwood, and it says do 3 to 5 drops. Okay, when does that screw on there? Probably, hopefully. Okay, cool. So we got that. I'm gonna set that right there. And then let's see what happens. I've never done this before. Oh, there it goes. Hopefully you all can see it. Can you all see it? Oh, she smells good. Oh my goodness. I didn't know. Y'all see that book? I haven't even cracked it open yet. That's my little medicine that I keep for sleep in my little charger. Oh my goodness. Let me turn this off for a second. I don't know if you can see it better. Oh my goodness. I love it. So now I'm really going to have to go back and watch Alicia Getty's and find those, because it came, the aromatherapy, they came in a 3-box set, and I think she said either Marshall's or TJ Maxx. So you know what that means. We're gonna have to go to Marshall. I'm so happy. All right, so this was just the unboxing, and I will link the ones that I saw on. I actually saw some on Amazon. I just didn't want to wait, so that's why I got it out of the store that, you know, we're boycotting. Yeah, I need about 2 or 3 more. One for the downstairs, at least 2 or 3 more. Y'all, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Click your, turn your post notifications to all so you don't miss out on any of the content that I produce. Oh my goodness, let me show it. She's just so darling. Oh, wow. And don't forget, let me know if y'all have these diffusers, and if you have one, let me know what are the best scents to go and buy. Give me, really, for real, I need y'all to tell me in the comment section, what scents do you all have, and what is your favorite? What do I need to run out and get? Stay blessed and stay safe. I'm happy.
Fool me once, fool me twice. When you're hiding things, might as well be lies.